Upinder ma'am, can you hear me? I think there is a technical issue, so we move forward. Now we are going to move forward and get started with the session. As you know that our sessions are about LaTeX and MATLAB. The primary objective of this workshop is to provide a comprehensive theoretical and hands-on practical experience on LaTeX and MATLAB to the beginners. I am sure all of you have been looking forward to this workshop as I am. We have approached the time to officially commence our today's session. I would like to welcome all the students, faculty members, and other attendees to this international workshop. On the behalf of all the members of organizing committee, I would like to give a warm welcome to all our expert panelists who, despite their busy schedule, have managed to share their time with us. It is an absolute pleasure to be here with some of the well-renowned scientists in the field of mathematics and computer science. I wouldn't keep the audience waiting any longer than they already have. So let's get started with our today's session.
We have participants not only across India but from also Malaysia, Oman, Ethiopia, Bangladesh, Libya, to mention few. Our speakers are first Dr. BS Rattanpal, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Mathematics, Faculty of Technology and Engineering, the Maharaja Sayajirao University, Vadodara, Gujarat, India. And second one is Dr. Parvinder Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Technology, School of Engineering and Technology, Central University of Punjab, Bathinda. Third is Dr. Meherchand, Assistant Professor, Baba Farid College, affiliated to Punjabi University, Patiala, Bathinda, India. Fourth, Mr. Vamesh Nadurbarkar, Department of Mathematical Sciences, P.D. Patel Institute of Applied Sciences, Charotar University of Science and Technology, Changa, Gujarat, India. And fifth one is Dr. Krunal Kashia, Department of Mathematical Sciences, P.D. Patel Institute of Applied Sciences, Charotar University of Science and Technology, Changa, Gujarat, India. Let me introduce our first speaker, Dr. B.S. Rattanpal, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Mathematics, Faculty of Technology and Engineering, the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Vadodara, Gujarat, India, who is the PhD in applications of nonlinear differential equations and has over 20 years of experience in research and teaching. He has delivered over 13 invited talks in national and international conferences, seminars, and workshops. Dr. B.S. Rattanpal has over 16 research publications. Let's all welcome Dr. B.S. Rattanpal with us. It's a pleasure to have you here, sir. Sir, please.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank the MTTF and the team, particularly Professor Meherchand, for inviting me uh, to deliver a talk in this workshop, and thank you, the host of this session, for giving the nice introduction. So today I'm going to talk about the LaTeX. So I will start with the beginning, that what are the tools which are required for the uh, successful compilation of the LaTeX document. So LaTeX is a documentation tool, as we have the word processor and the text editor, etc. So yeah, let me share my screen. Is my screen visible? Pardon?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yeah, it's visible. Okay, okay. So, the LaTeX, the word LaTeX stands for lamp of text, and the LaTeX is the document preparation system, and the LaTeX command, which are same as look like same as that of HTML. So that is again a markup language. The LaTeX commands, the behind the LaTeX command, there is a code which is known as the macros or a program that process the LaTeX document. There are various ready-made and inbuilt commands like section, then what you can say the equation, cross-referencing for bibliography, as well as for table of content. There is a single command list of tables. There is a single command list of tables that will create the list of the tables used in the document. So this LaTeX was originally written in 1980 by Leslie Lamport, and there is a book of Leslie Lamport which you people can use for the further study. The current version of LaTeX is LaTeX 2. Now, all of us are using. I hope everyone is using LaTeX. Yes or no? Right? All of you are using LaTeX, right? Yeah. But which compiler we should use? Which thing we should use? So some of you might be using in Windows, MikTeX you might be using. Am I right? Yeah. Please respond me because I would like to make it interactive session rather than one-way communication.
I use TextWorks.
TextWorks, okay.
Yeah.
But what compiler you are using?
Windows.
Windows operating system. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Anyone else? Anyone else?
TechMaker.
TechMaker. But on the back end, which compiler?
The same window.
No, that's Windows is operating system.
Yes.
Anyway, I would like to tell you there are two things in the LaTeX. One is the compiler which we are using, and other is the editor. The other is the editor. The TechMaker is the editor, which has its own compiler on the back end, but and the other is WinEDT as a text editor. WinEDT as a text editor, and on the back end, the compiler is MikTeX. Now, what will happen? What will happen if we use that? So, while preparing the slides, etc., while preparing the slides or doing some, I mean. A particular kind of task, certain packages we need to include, which are not already there in the present compiler like MikTeX or TechMaker. So what we need to do? We need to additionally download it and install it, like a Beamer, like a Beamer. To prepare a slideshow, we need a Beamer, and Beamer is not built in what MikTeX, right? So we need another package that we need to Beamer. We need to download from the internet and then configure it. Then we can compile our slideshow code, right? Slideshow code. So that is the thing. What is the other option? The other option that I will tell you today is there is a tech user group founded by was founded in 1980 that provides the all the packages used in LaTeX. The website is tug.org. One can download the latest version of TechLive from TechLive 2001 from tug.org. So let me tell you the website. Let me tell you the website which is used. Okay. So if you are using the Windows, most of you are using the Windows operating system. So you may write this link tug.org/techlive/acquire. Is it visible or shall I zoom it? Yeah, yeah, I would zoom it. No, but it is zooming this one, but not the reference. Okay, so is it visible? tug.org/techlive/acquire-net-install.html. Hello. Yes, what you're saying? Anyway, so your internet should be on, and you need to download this file install-tl-windows.exe. And when you execute this for that also internet should be open. This is a 20 MB file, but when this exe will run from the internet, it will install, and almost 3 or 4 GB, that all the packages will be installed in the backend. So now what you need to, once this is TechLive is installed, then what you can do is you can create, you can install the TechMaker or the other editor, and whatever you write, automatically in the backend, TechLive will compile and run it. Is it clear? GB, that all the packages will be installed in the backend. So now, what you need to, once this is TechLive is installed, then hello, I'm sorry, I'm getting the echo. You can install the TechMaker or the other. I request all to mute your mic. Automatically in the backend, TechLive will compile and run it. Is it clear? GB. So I request all to mute their mic. Yeah. So everyone has muted. So this is the file you need to install. So this will cover all the packages. No need to install the additional packages. No need to install the additional packages as in the other compiler. So this is the very important thing. One should know that. Okay. Yeah. So you can create the simple document using this LaTeX. So here we use the article class, and the other classes we use the letteron, and font size is 11 point, 10 point, and 12 point. So let us see. Let us see the 12 point, processing the 12 point article. So here we have hello12.tech. hello12.tech. If I want to open in MikTeX, I will say open with other application. Sorry, open with TechMaker. So here I have a TechMaker. So you can see document class 12 point, and I'm giving article / begin document and end document. This is must. whenever we start anything, we need to write begin document and end document. Within that, we have to write. Now the TechMaker. The TechMaker has the many mods. You can see here. So let me run first of all document document thing, document class 12 point, and I'm giving article. So begin document and end document. This is one. I don't know why echo is coming. We need to write begin document and end document. Within that, we have to write. Now the TechMaker, sir. The TechMaker has the many mods. You can see here. So let me run first of all document thing, document class 12 point, and I'm giving article. So begin document and end document. This is one. I don't know why echo is coming. Yes. So here the document class is the 12 point, and it is the article. It is the article. We begin document and end document. So begin and end. So they are the paired keys. These are whenever you need to uh, start writing, we write begin and we need to close it. So therefore, it is called the paired key. There are many unpaired keys also. So unpaired commands also. So I have written 12 point hello world. So you can see here the hello world word. Now let me tell you this TechMaker, the importance of this. So here when I click on Greek letters, I don't know how to write alpha. What is the command for alpha? So I need on alpha. So automatically the word alpha, this command for alpha is written. Is it okay? And in the same manner, beta, etc. In the same manner, beta, etc. I will tell you later on why how I need to write, why I'm writing in this dollar sign, then gamma, then delta, and when you run it, it will be reflected, say alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. In the same manner, we have the different symbol, left arrow, up arrow, right arrow. So right arrow, and then does not implies. So you can directly use it. You can directly use it from here, and there are the other symbols also in the math. If I say begin equation, so the equation will be begun. So here it is written slash begin equation and slash end equation. So these are the features of TechLive. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. These are the features of what? Tell me. This particular editor. This particular editor. These are not the features of LaTeX. These are not the features of LaTeX. This particular editor provides you the facility. This particular editor provides you the facility to write the command if you don't know. If you don't know. You got the idea? Is it okay? If you don't know the command, then this particular thing will provide it. This particular editor will provide you the commands. Is it okay? Like this one,
Yes, sir. Is it okay?
intersection and union, and all these are not the part of LaTeX, but these are the facilities provided by this particular text editor, this particular text editor. Okay. Now, let me close this and let us go back to our this LaTeX document format. Now, it is not like that. You can only process it like a word processor. You can write it like you can create. There are a lot of things in LaTeX you can do. You can draw the question paper in LaTeX. You can write the letter in LaTeX. You can write the letter in LaTeX. Is it okay? So let us see the sample also of the letter. So document class 12 point, earlier it was article, now it is the letter. Then what we need is we need to write address. So slash address is for address. Double slash will is used to go to the next line, and slash date command is for date. Slash today will be today's date, and the signature, that means name of the whatever, you can write name of the sender or something like that. So begin document, begin letter, coordinators, the workshop, um, what you can say here, of mtpf, uh, Baba Farid College, opening, dear coordinators, the LaTeX workshop, thanks for inviting me. And here, let's write. So when you build, this is the letter. When you build, this is the letter. Is it okay? You got the idea? So such a nice format. A letter is built. What you need to do is you need to just set these. This will be same for all our. This will be same for all our communication. For all our communication, right? And just we need to change the body. Just we need to change the body. So once you change the body, you have the letter in the nice format. And I hope from now onwards, some of you will use this LaTeX tool for writing the letter also. Okay, for writing the letter also. Okay, yeah. Now equation. When we are, there are many forms of the equation. The equation must and start with the dollar sign. If we are writing the equation, if we are writing the equation within the text, they must be within dollar sign. And if we want to write, if you want to write the equation in say want the number of the equation, then you need to write slash begin equation and slash end equation. We can also insert the equation array. We can also insert the equation array. So uh, let us go back. And skip this. Okay, yeah. So let me open the files equations.txt. Here I am giving you, when we want to write the equation, you need to use the package AMS-math. Whenever we want to include the equation, we need to use the package AMS-math. AMS stands for American Mathematical Society Math Toolbox. Now, the equations within the line can be written with the dollar sign. And when we want the equation on the separate line and the number, so with the number, so I can write ds squared is equal to some equation I have written. You can label the equation. I can label the equation. So I can label that, say, um, metric. Now, if you want to write the equation without number and that you want in the next line, what you need to do is slash begin equation star and end with slash equation star. Is it okay? You got it? Hello? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me share this label. Okay. Label. So equation within line, you need to write within the dollar sign. So within the dollar sign, I have written alpha, beta, gamma, theta. For capital theta, we need to use capital T, phi, and capital phi. Okay. So this you can include using, this function of the TechMaker, that alpha, beta, gamma, delta, all the commands directly you can write. So what I will suggest is you use this thing, no doubt for the initial purpose you can use these features, but later on you write by your own, as it provide the facility. TechMaker provide the facility, like if we write command, then it will automatically it will give what you want to write, slash alpha slash beta. So BE, begin equation, begin alive, begin center, and beta is also there. Okay. Now, if you want to write the equation on the separate line, so this is the equation on the separate line. This I have written by writing slash begin equation. Its label I have given as a metric. ds squared is equal to e raised to nu dt squared minus e raised to lambda dr squared minus. Now this is the important thing. What you do is see the difference. If I don't write left, slash left, and slash right, look at the right hand side. What is the output right now? Look at the right hand side. What is the output right now? And now look what output we will get when I run this. Is it obvious? No, it is not. So let me say, yeah,
أتكلم بأنت.
just a moment. Slash frac stands for the fraction. Slash frac stands for the fraction. Yeah, now you see. Hello. Look at here. What is the output? If I don't write left before the bracket and right after the bracket, you can see that the bracket are not extendable. Brackets are not extendable. This part is going out of the bracket. Numerator is going out of the bracket, and denominator also going out of the bracket. So to avoid this, what you need to write is slash left and slash left and hello and slash right over here, slash left and slash right over here. Now if I run this, you can see the brackets are extendable. You got the idea? Is it okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now
sir.
the fraction part. The fraction part you can write as, say, if I write 1 divided by 2, so I need to write slash frac 1 divided by 2. Slash frac, that means fraction 1 divided by 2. So when you run it, you can see it is 1 by 2 over here. Got the idea? 1 by 2 over here. For the power symbol, we have the caret. I request all to mute the mic. Yeah. So for power symbol, we have caret. Okay. So now, how to write the equation without number? So if I want to here, if I write slash begin equation and slash end equation, and whatever I write within that, that will be in the equation form, but the number will be provided to it. If I want to write the equation without number, then I need to write star slash begin equation star and slash end equation star, and then whatever the equation I have. So I have written ds squared is equal to dx squared plus dy squared plus dz squared. Is it okay? Is it okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
yes, sir. Can you
And
write it once again? Like, can we see how you are writing the
okay.
equation once again? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I will tell you. The equation without number, this can be written as slash begin equation start slash end equation start, and within that, say whatever equation I will write, say y is equal to, or z is equal to x squared plus y squared. Z is equal to x squared plus y squared. So that will be displayed. So you can see here z is equal to x squared plus y squared. So no number is given to equation. No number is given to equation. Got it?
Yes,
Hello.
clear.
Yeah, clear. Okay. Now sometimes what happen is equation cannot be fixed in a single line. So we need to write the equation in multiple lines. So for that, we need to use the equation array. For that, we need to use equation array. The command is slash begin eqn array slash begin eqn array. Is it okay? So now suppose, so this is the long equation which I have written in eqn array. This I will explain you later on, but as madam told that you write it down, so I will write it down the new equation array eqn array and slash and eqn array. So here what I will write is say that is equal to so for that what I need is the left side should be on the left hand side should be on the leftmost, and after equal to there will be the two parts on of the right hand side. So what I will do is I will write, before writing equal to, I will write ampersand, that and z is equal to, ampersand is equal to ampersand. Then I will write x squared plus y squared, then plus, then I will write slash no number. I don't want to give this part as a number. I want to give the equation as a whole number. So let me write, don't write this no number right now. Then after that, what I will do? After that, what I will do? After that, I will write simply ampersand space ampersand. Ampersand space ampersand f of x comma y. So let me run this. Just a moment. CR tablet. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. So you can see z is equal to x squared plus y squared. Then I need the new line plus new line. So I will write slash slash ampersand space ampersand fxy. So you can see x squared plus y squared plus fxy. But this has given a number to both the lines. But this is not the, I mean, this is the one equation, not the two equation. So what I will write here is slash no number slash no number. So no number will be given to first line and the number will be given to the second line only. You got the idea? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, we got.
Yeah, okay, fine. You may give the label also. You may give the label also to the equation. So this one I have written a very complicated equation. So this complicated equation, let me first reduce, because what I want is, let me write first of all 1 plus r square over r square raised to minus 1. Let me write 1 plus r square over r square raised to minus 1. So slash begin equation start slash end equation start. Now what I need is this term 1 plus small r square divided by capital R square raised to minus 1. So I will write the bracket. Okay. Then 1 plus, this is in the fraction, so I will write frac, two parts. Frac is the numerator, I will write r square, and second one is the denominator, that is capital R square. Its power is minus 1. Now when I run this, its power is minus 1. When I run this, what will happen? You can see these terms are going out of the bracket. These terms are going out of the bracket. So to avoid such situation, what I need to do, tell me, I told earlier, what I need to do, the bracket should be extendable to the equations. Okay. So how do we make it extendable? By writing slash left, and here I need to write slash the right. Is it okay? When I run this, you can see now brackets are extendable. Got it? All of you? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. Now the next term is nu dash by r plus 1 over r square. So plus, again square brackets, then slash frac, I will write slash nu dash over r plus slash frac 1 over r square. When I run this, you can again see the text is floating out of the brackets. So what I need to write slash left and slash right. So this will make the brackets extendable. This will make the brackets extendable. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now one important thing. If I want to write any equation in this kind of bracket, then what to do? Because these brackets are used in LaTeX inbuilt equations. So I can't use these brackets. This stands for these brackets are the braces are for a particular purpose in the LaTeX. So now I will tell you why everywhere we are writing slash. Why everywhere we are writing slash. The slash is the escape sequence. The slash is the escape character. What we mean by escape character, that whatever we write after slash, it will lose its usual meaning. Whatever we write after slash, it will lose its usual meaning and it will have a particular meaning. So the usual meaning of these braces are for writing the what you can say, writing the argument to the LaTeX command. Like equation is the argument to the begin and equation is the argument to the end command, right? Document is the argument to begin and document is the argument to end. Title and within title, this is the argument to the title. Then enumerate is the argument to the use package slash use package. So what I will do is I will write slash. What I will write slash before what, these brackets. So when I run this, you can see these brackets are printed. This in this brackets, if I want to write 1 by r, so I will write frac. First, this bracket is for numerator, that is 1. Second is for denominator, so it is 1 by r. And when I write this, and you can see the text is floating outside this braces. So again, you can say slash left and slash right. Is it okay? Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, really.
Now I
Yes, sir.
hope you understood how to write this thing. Well, the other is writing the parametric equations of the sphere, writing the parametric equation of the sphere, and this parametric equation, now what you can observe in the earlier case, what you can observe in earlier case, we have not written the parenthesis to the equation array, and what we have written is directly the equation number. But what here I need the right bracket, this right braces, and then I need to write the equation number. So I will start with the begin equation, and I write in the left I don't want any bracket. Am I right? In left I don't want any bracket. So I will write slash left dot. Dot means no bracket. And at the end I want the braces, so I will write slash right slash these braces. Is it okay? And within that I will write slash begin equation array.
Rattanpal sir, you are not visible and you are not audible.
Speaker.
Sir, you are not audible.
Not audible, and also the screen is freezing.
Yes, ma'am.
I think sir has
Rattan-
network problem.
I'm unable to hear anything. Sir, you are not audible.
What is the problem, sir?
Dear participant, just please wait. I have dropped the message and I hope he will join again. He is connecting.
Yeah, can you hear me? I'm sorry, there was a, power cut off, so I need to switch over to another network. Sorry for delay. Yeah. So, but here, what I said is, I need to write.
Anand.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah, I'm audible. Okay. I'm sorry for delay. Actually, due to power cutoff, I need to switch to another network. Now, this is what you can say. at the left hand side, we don't want the braces. So what I will write is slash left dot. And right hand side, I want the braces. So I will write slash right slash this braces. Then after that, I will write begin array L. L stands for the left thing. So x is equal to r sine theta cos phi, y is equal to r sine theta sin phi, and z is equal to r cos theta. So when I run this, what I will get is this 4, equation number 4. Is it okay? Hello, is it okay?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, is
Right.
it okay?
Now, how to use this labeling? Why we have you have seen that we have labeled the equations. What are my labels? My labels are to the equations are metric. Then the other is SIMP, and other is VT metric. So what I will write here is to retrieve to retrieve I mean um, to write the equation or equation number, to use the equation number in our text. What we do is we write within quotes /ref then label. The first label is the metric, so is space-time metric. Then /ref, then SIMP. I will describe whatever it is written is the energy momentum tensor. Then I will write /ref, say parametric, VT parametric represent parametric equations of here. So when I run this, you can observe the equation number 1, or let me write the equation also. Equation this, and so when we run, you can see the equation 1 is energy space-time metric, equation 3 is the energy momentum tensor, and equation 4 is the parametric equation of the sphere. Now, what is the advantage of this kind of labeling and retrieving? Because when we do the labeling, the and if our later on we think that one more equation I should include between the equation 2 and 3, so the numbering of the equation will be automatically changed. But this, once the label is given, the same label is used. So the if I write the equation 4 between 2 and 3, then or 1 and 3, then what I will get, the equation number will change. But since the label are same, the automatically the equation number will change over here. Is it okay? The equation number will change over here. For example, let me give this as the equation number. I have not given the number, so let me give the label to this slash label temp slash label temp. Now here it is the equation 1, 3, and 4. But now after writing temp, see the equation. Just a moment. Which number z is equal to fxy. So that is temp. Yeah, I want to include over here. So let me include some equation over here. Some equation over here. Say slash begin equation slash and equation.
Some other participant is sharing screen. Please stop sharing.
People use to stop sharing.
Please don't share.
Dr. BS Rattanpal sir, please share
Yeah.
your screen.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, is it visible?
Yes, sir, visible.
Yeah. So now let me give some other equation, add other equation between these two. So you can see I have included another equation. One is this, two is this, three is this, z is equal to x square plus y square. 4 is this now, and 5 is this. So you can see, yeah. But now the point is, whenever we are using for citing the reference or giving the equations or using the equation number using this function called ref or reference. So whenever we use reference or cite, we run the program 3 times. So you can see that now the equation has changed 1, 4 and 5. So this numbering will automatically change when we have what? When we have the labeling. You got the idea? What is the concept of labeling? What I did, I included one temporary one more equation between these equation. Okay, one more equation between 3 and 4. So it has automatically changed the number. Right? So you can see here it is 1, 4 and 5. So if I delete this, let me delete this, and you see what is the output. Let me again run it 2-3 times. 1, 3, 4. Got the idea? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I don't
Yes,
need
sir.
to
Sir.
I don't need to change the
Yes.
number. Up to this, any doubt?
No, sir.
It is clear.
It is clear. Okay. So now font size in equation. Font size in the equation. The default font size is normal size. Size. Another is the most highest is huge with capital H. Next highest is huge, all in small letter. Next highest is large or all capital. That is the larger. Then below that is large with L capital. Then large, all small. Then normal size come. Then small. Then footnote size. Then script size, and then tiny size. and then tiny size. Okay, so let us view this thing. So equation with different forms. So I have written only one equation. And that equation is ds square is equal to dx square plus dy square plus dz square. So if I want to write in the huge format, I need to write slash huge, and slash huge is the unpaired tag. Since it is the unpaired tag, we don't close this huge tag. Just say like we have here we have begin and ended the equation. We can't do the begin huge and end huge. Is it okay? Begin huge and end huge. So this huge is the unpaired tag. That means whatever we write below huge, it will be in the huge size only. Whatever equation we write in below huge, that will be in huge size only. So to come, once we have written in the huge size, then again to come into the our normal fonts, we need to write normal size. Then I have written huge, that is the font below the or font whose size is lesser than capital huge. So I will write slash huge, and that is again the unpaired tag. So after writing the equation, we need to write normal size, otherwise all the equation will be in the huge format. Then large, then same equation, then large, then this is the normal size, then small, then footnote size, then script size, and then tiny, You got it? What I have written? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me run this. When you run it, you can see here, this is the huge with H capital. This is huge with all small. Then large, all capital, large, L capital, large, that is all small letter. This is the normal size. Then after the normal size, when what we have, footnote size, then script size, and then tiny. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So here, what you can do is for the square root, let me write this equation. Same equation I will write, slash. So let me erase this, and I will write before you. So what first of all I need the bracket. That is the extendable bracket. So I need to write slash left. Am I correct? Yes or no? And slash right. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then I need in the fraction. So frac, numerator and denominator. Now numerator, there is a square root. So slash sqrt. So sqrt of 1 plus, again sqrt, slash sqrt, sqrt of 1 plus, again sqrt, slash sqrt of 2. And in the denominator, what I have is left this rectangular bracket slash right rectangular bracket 1 plus slash fraction. Numerator is small r square and denominator is capital R square. Is it okay? So this is how we write the nesting of square root. This is how we write the nesting of square root. Got it? Yes?
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Got it. Okay. Now, enumerated and itemize and description. Now, what we mean by enumerated? Enumerated we write when we need the counting. When we need the counting. And itemize we write when we don't need counting. Is it okay? So now here we use enumerate if we want the counting, and counting with the Roman number, then I will write I. Counting with the Roman number, I will write I. Slash item mango, orange and banana. Is it okay? Mango, orange and banana. So this will give me the Roman numbers 1 mango, 2 orange and 3 banana. So within the enumerate, you need to write slash item and then whatever the description of that particular item is. Whatever the description of that particular item is. Instead of Roman numbers, if you want to use the small alphabets, you can write within the bracket small alphabet, because I have written within the bracket small alphabet. That's why within the bracket A will come. If I simply write A, if I write A, so here bracket will not come and only A will come, A, B and C. But I want in this manner. A slash item mango slash item orange slash item banana. You got the idea? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So these are the ways of writing the enumerated text. The other is itemize. As the enumerated is when we want to count it, we use enumerate. Otherwise, we use itemize. In the itemize also, this particular what you can say, the particular points we need to write in the within, at the command, by writing the command slash item. So slash item mango, orange and banana. So here we have written mango, orange and banana. Apart from that, there is a description also. If I write begin description and write slash item mathematics, so that will be the bold one. That particular item will be in the bold face later. So mathematics, so the queen of science, physics, science of matter and its motion, psychology, scientific study of mental process and behavior. Is it okay? You got the difference between enumerate, itemize, and description? Yes or no?
Yes, I have one question here.
Yeah.
How
Now,
can you use?
hello.
Hello, Raphael.
Yeah.
How can you use bullets in itemized case?
How?
How can you use the items for itemized case? Bullets
Can
for
you
itemized case.
itemized case. What you want?
Yes, here are bullets, yes.
Couldn't get your question. Can you please repeat?
In itemized part, there are
Mhm.
bullets, yes. There are bullets.
We have
There are bullets. So how can you use them?
this one, dots.
Yeah, yes.
So you want to change dots. What you want in itemize?
For instance, stars or other
Stars.
place. Yeah.
Can you please write in the text message? Please write in the text message. Please write in text message.
Okay, wait a minute.
Yeah. Okay, you want to use the bullets and asterisk and other things instead of
Yeah.
dot, right?
Yes, yes. Definitely.
Okay. Yeah, so that we'll see. No, just a moment. Uh, well, this thing, uh, maybe I will tell you tomorrow. Maybe this thing I will tell you tomorrow how to use the different items. Yeah.
Rattanpal sir, please use
Yes.
Okay, it's
square
okay.
bracket.
It's okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please use a square brackets, rectangular bracket to add space, then it will be.
Square bracket. Yes. So you can see,
Okay, okay. Yeah,
yeah,
ready.
you can see there are stars. You may use plus sign also.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, definitely.
Yeah. Uh, any other question up to now? Yeah. So I would like to have the 10 minutes for question answer. Yeah, the PDF of the lectures will be provided. So I will send it to the Professor Meher sir. Yeah. Any other question? Actually, now tomorrow I am going to cover the important point, that is writing the matrices. writing the matrices, and then the referencing, which is the most important part of writing the matrices. And that I will explain you by taking the real examples of the particular journals in which I have communicated, and how we are writing the bibliography. Okay, so that's uh, so. Any other question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
So yeah.
Yes, I have a question about that LaTeX.
Hmm.
Where we get a portable version of that LaTeX and how to update that previously installed LaTeX package. Because most of the time here in Ethiopia, unable to easily upgrade or update that LaTeX package. What is the reason? And also maybe the error size,
Yeah.
the repository errors.
Okay.
There is no hosted network. How to fix such problem here?
Is the network stable in Ethiopia?
Little bit stable, especially at night time, it is better, but most
Okay.
of the time,
So
for other application it work, but for LaTeX, unable to upgrade or update that package.
okay. So I will tell you one thing. Uh, as I told you previously, that you install TechLive. Once TechLive installed, then all the packages will be there which we are using. All the packages will be there. I will tell you, no need to upgrade for at least for 7 8 years. At least for 7 8 years, because the TechLive which I am using is TechLive 2013. Is TechLive
2030.
2013, in which still all the commands, all the functions, all the packages are uh, successfully running. All right. So install TechLive. Don't
Okay,
go
yes, sir.
for, yeah, don't go for partial packages like MidTech and all. But in while installing TechLive, you have to take care that you install TechLive full. There is a TechLive basic and TechLive full. Install TechLive full. It will take 2 to 3 hours for installation, but all the packages will be installed. No need to upgrade at least for 7 years, because I'm using 2013, TechLive 2013, and all the commands are successfully running. So the question is, please share TechLive documentation for installation purpose. So this is the website. You download this exe file, and then the instructions are written over here, as well as when you click on exe file, the installation process will begin, and you follow the instruction on the screen while installation.
Okay, thank you for
Sir,
this clear response.
I also request you please share the link in the chat box so that the
Yeah,
participant can
yeah.
download.
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
That I forgot.
Yes, yes, sir.
So this will directly install from internet. Actually, you can download this ISO package also, and you can make a CD of that. But DVD of that, 2 3 DVDs are needed. I mean, for that, for installing. So
Matter of storage.
better is to install it for internet. And tomorrow we'll also see how to prepare the slideshow, because using Microsoft PowerPoint, uh, you know how much difficulty we are getting to write the equation and placing in the form. So there is no power and no point in using PowerPoint. Use the LaTeX slideshow. Okay, so with this, I thank all of you. I request Professor Meherchan, uh, mic to, I will hand over mic to Professor Meherchan.
Thank you, Professor, for your nice and valuable thought. The content which are presented are also very important to understand how we can use LaTeX to prepare scientific document. And the basic commands which you are discuss are very really useful, because when we use the references, labels, and references which are whenever we are preparing long document. So this type of labels, references are very helpful to control the whole document. And also, I got some queries from the participant that if you can present how we can install the software, because
Okay,
some participants are new.
okay,
I think some of them maybe never use this software.
okay,
So tomorrow I request you that you will present how we can download and install. And sometimes there are various editors like TechMaker,
yeah,
WinEdit, Texting Center. So some editor needed to path
yes, yes,
to connect to the MIG-Tech. So if you present how we can download and install and how we can use, so I think this will be very helpful for all the participants.
okay, okay,
However, the content which are presented here are very valuable and very helpful for the newcomers, and I hope all the audience participant will use for their scientific documentation. And tomorrow talk will be also very important and very useful, because all these things will be used, and also there will be some templates, how we can use the template which are exist on the journal, because each journal provide a different type of a template and we can use it directly. And also there will be some more functions like how we can insert a table, how we can
yeah,
insert figures, and many more things. And all these will be very useful use to create a PPT or a presentation by using a Beamer package. And I hope
yeah,
this talk is very helpful for all of you. Thank you very much. And now
yeah.
I will hand over my mic. Yeah,
Just a moment, sir.
yes, sir.
If participants are insisting, then can I show the installation process right now? Because
Uh,
tomorrow will be a lot of things, or
okay.
tomorrow we may extend up to 8 o'clock. I don't mind.
Actually, today we have scheduled the time for 6 to
6 to
7:30.
7:30.
Yeah, and
So
also we have some ceremony, inaugural ceremony. So tomorrow you have a lot of time, and also we can extend because it was
yeah,
not prior information to the participant.
yeah,
So tomorrow, for tomorrow, the time
yeah,
we will extend. We will inform to the participant. So this will be very helpful for the participant,
yes,
and
yes.
they will be mentally prepared.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Uh, Thank you, all of you.
Thank, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, participant, all the participant, and thank you, speakers and all the coordinators for this nice moment. Thank you.
Mayor sir, if you share the certificate for this.
Ma'am, tomorrow is also lecture for Dr.
Okay, okay, sir.
Uttapalli. Yeah, so tomorrow
Okay,
we will provide.
okay,
Yeah.
Yeah.
okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now we can leave the meeting.